Welcome to a 60-second journey through the world of pharmaceuticals. Today, we dive into dextromethorphan, a key ingredient in many over-the-counter cough medicines. Dextromethorphan was introduced in the 1950s by US pharmaceutical company Romilar. Its primary function? To suppress that irritating cough reflex. But like any drug, it has its side effects: nausea, drowsiness, and in rare instances, hallucinations. So always follow the dosage instructions. You might be wondering, which brands carry this medication? Well, Robitussin, Vicks, and Delsym are just a few on a long list of brands. Remember, dextromethorphan is not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. Always consult your healthcare provider before taking any new medication. That's your 60-second pharmaceutical fact. Stay informed, stay healthy.